Hello friends, this is TEC2000 India. In the video, we have an Alfa Romeo Metro 1.4 multi-air. The customer has requested to use engine flush before changing the oil, so I suggested the proven TEC2000 engine flush. In this car's engine, there is an additional filter along with the oil filter. This filter is from the multi-air system, which is worth remembering. Some people don't know about it, but it is very important because the cost of replacing such a multi-air part is very high. It is about 1 lakh. We have performed a compression test that shows that the engine is in good condition. By using TEC2000 engine flush preventively at every oil change, we extend the life of the engine. In this case, we will also take care of the multi-air system, which is sensitive to contamination. Our product is available online for purchase. You can also get it by contacting our team member on the given number.